Bonjour and welcome to our guide on the visa application process for France. France is a popular destination for travelers and immigrants from all over the world, offering a rich history, diverse culture, and beautiful landscapes. If you're interested in visiting or living in France, you'll need to navigate the visa application process. In this guide, we will take you through the steps to obtain a French visa. Determine which type of visa you need. The first step in the French visa application process is to determine which type of visa you need. France offers a wide range of visas for various purposes, including short-term tourism, study, work, and long-term residency. The type of visa you need will depend on your specific circumstances. So be sure to research the different types of visas available and choose the one that best fits your needs. Prepare your application. Once you have determined which type of visa you need, it's time to prepare your application. This typically involves completing a visa application form and providing supporting documents, such as your passport, photographs, and proof of financial means. Be sure to carefully review the application requirements for your specific visa type and ensure that you have all the necessary documents ready before submitting your application. Submit your application. Once you have prepared your application, you'll need to submit it to the appropriate French embassy or consulate. This can typically be done in person or through the mail. Some types of visas may also allow you to apply online. Be sure to check with your local embassy or consulate to determine the best method for submitting your application. Attend your visa interview, if required. Depending on your visa type and circumstances, you may be required to attend a visa interview as part of the application process. This will typically involve answering questions about your background and purpose for visiting or living in France. Be sure to arrive at the interview prepared with any necessary documents and ready to answer any questions truthfully. Wait for your visa to be processed. After submitting your application and attending any required interviews, you'll need to wait for your visa to be processed. This can take several weeks or even months, depending on the type of visa and your specific circumstances. Be patient and avoid making travel plans until you have received your visa. Collect your visa. Once your visa has been approved, you'll need to collect it from the French embassy or consulate. Be sure to carefully review your visa to ensure that all of the information is correct and that it matches your passport. If there are any errors, be sure to address them with the embassy or consulate before traveling to France. In conclusion, obtaining a French visa can be a complex process. But by following these steps and ensuring that you have all the necessary documents and information, you can increase your chances of success. If you need further assistance with your French visa application, don't hesitate to contact us at info@11consultancy.com.